Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon, I believe. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Now all we have to do to close all of them is to tap on this trash bin icon. Now we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Sometimes it happens that the device will leave 1 or 2 apps opened, but no worries, all you will have to do is to swipe them up, like that, simply close them manually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.